Well, speaking of Christmas and the end of the year, there's only 4 days left in 2009, so the market's mind more on 2010. Markets reporter Sheila Dharmarajan has a look at the best of the best when it comes to New Year's stock picks. Sheila.
That's right, Deirdre. You know, Laszlo Barini, he's all about picking good stocks for 2010. In fact, he joined us last week, and here's what he had to say about that.
Strength continues to be concentrated in good stocks. People continue to be skeptical. The economy is going to surprise us, and technical stuff isn't going to work. And I think there's going to be more and more of a drift back to stocks.
So what's the best of the best when it comes to stock picks for 2010? Well, Barini Associates, what they did was they went through 9 different Wall Street outlooks, 6 different investment guides, and they took a look at what was the best of the best when it came to Wall Street stock picks. One theme that clearly emerged was consumer non-cyclicals. In fact, 3 of the top 5 stock picks were in this sector, Deirdre.
And Sheila, I mean, what are some of the most popular picks?
Well, you know, Pepsi was at the top of the list. I want to point out that analysts say that marketing spend is likely to increase after depressed levels in 2009. So with that increase in marketing, there's potential for volume growth in 2010. Wall Street's also feeling very bullish on the stock. 12 buys, 4 holds, and 1 sell, Deirdre.
And what about healthcare? I mean, there's been a lot of talk about this, especially after last week's bill.
No, absolutely. And healthcare stocks definitely did make the cut. Managed care provider UnitedHealth Group, for example. Now, despite the bill that came out last week, S&P did come out on Thursday and reiterated its positive outlook on managed care. They point to the fact that there's a strong possibility that the public plan will be dropped in a merged bill, which of course will be favorable to the managed care industry. One more company that made the cut was Teva Pharmaceuticals. They make generic drugs. And Wall Street, they're in love with this stock. 24 buys, 3 holds, and 0 sells on the stock. They recently made an acquisition in Japan, so analysts do think that this will be a good sign for their market growth and positioning, Deirdre.
Sheila, thanks very much. Sheila Dharmarajan there.